What's up guys, let's get into Tuesday's price action. Today was one of those days where everything actually looked clean, but still ended up as a bad day. Let me walk you through how the day played out. So this is the 15-minute chart just before the market opened. The main levels I had marked were the Monday's high and the London low. Apart from that, I didn't really have any strong bias coming into the session. Price was just sitting in between these levels. So as usual, the plan was simple. Wait for the open and let the market create more structure before forming any bias. Now after the open, price pushed higher and took Monday's high. At this point, I was just watching to see if we get continuation or if the market starts showing some kind of reversal structure. Now here, you can see price started pushing lower after taking those highs. And then we get a 5-minute breaker formation. This is where things started getting interesting. Once that breaker formed, price came back into that area, and that's why I started looking for a short setup. Dropping into the 1-minute time frame, here you can see the setup forming. Price started rejecting that breaker area, and we got our short setup. The trade was around a 40-point stop loss and roughly a 126-point target to the downside. Everything was pretty clean here. Structure, entry, risk, everything made sense. Everything was good at first. Price actually moved nicely in my favor, but it only reached around halfway to my full target. And for me, I don't take partials unless price get at least 80% to the target. So in this case, there was no partial taken. After that, price reversed, came all the way back up and took my stop. And yeah, this is one of those trades where the setup is clean, but the follow through isn't just there. Now, looking at the full 15-minute chart, you can see later in the day around 12:30, the market pushed almost 300 points higher in like 5 minutes. That move came after the headline about Iran possibly considering ending the war. So that was clearly a news-driven move. And after that, the market basically went into consolidation for the rest of the session. So yeah, that was today's session. Clean setup, just didn't get the follow through. I post these breakdowns every single day. Real trades, real process, nothing fancy. If you're trying to improve your trading, feel free to subscribe and follow along, and I'll see you in the next one.